Also, if y'all haven't already, y'all made it this far, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell too, so every time I drop a video, y'all will know. Yay! D-Lo Higgins 26, baby. So, we got Sundown tomorrow. Sundown, the car audio show in Hickory, North Carolina. And, I'm kind of excited. I really am. It's gonna be my first big car show, you know, kind of thing. And, I'm not ready. I'm not. I'm gonna be honest. This box for the two BDC 415s, I'm not really feeling it. But as I explained to my homie, the reason why I'm not feeling it is because I'm looking at it numbers wise. The single 15 black box I hit a 144. Oh yeah, y'all see it right there. I'm about to put that up there. Still ain't up there yet. She's about to go up. I hit a 144 in the black box. And this one, I had a 137 last night on my little SPL meter. But that's neither here nor there. I'm not doing this for numbers. I'm not trying to chase numbers just yet. But I do plan on being the loudest Sonata. Now, with that being said, what we're doing, I got to straighten this up. Make this look a little prettier. Might leave that like that. I'm not really sure yet. We'll figure that one out. But this 4-channel. Have no idea how that got dirty. But right now I have the doors bridge and I have the highs bridge. So the mids are bridge and the highs are bridge. I'm about to move these down back to channels 1 and I'm gonna do 1 and 3. Oh shit, I'm missing a screw right there. Yeah. How am I shook it loose. That's how. So it's somewhere in this trunk. I know it couldn't have went far. Boy, can you imagine if that like sparked and hit something? It's somewhere in this trunk. I know it is. If not, I have another one in the house. But alright, I'll figure that one out. But anyway, I'm gonna move those around. I'm gonna straighten that up and to put that up there. So we'll be right back. Boy, if y'all can't tell, it's hot. No, it's hot. It's hot, boss. Anyway, I tried to take my mids off my bridge channel, but for some reason they didn't want to play. So I have to leave those bridged for now till I come back after the show tomorrow and figure out why. And for my highs, it just sounded much better bridged. I'm not gonna lie to you. The 3rd channel 2 ohm didn't sound good. Tried the 4th channel 2 ohm, didn't sound good. What it is, my tweeters are all 8 ohm, so wired together brings them down to 4 ohm. So that works perfectly for the bridge channel, and it sounds good. But tomorrow I'm tuning it properly. So there we go. It's still a mess. It's not pretty, but it looks better than what it was. That's straight. That's straight. Can't straighten that because of my dual inputs. So that's that. I did want to raise this, like put it like at an angle, but that's not gonna happen. So it's alright. But 9 times out of 10, y'all will see this clip after Sundown, so I can include some of the builds and all of that. you know, extend this video kinda. But I'll show you. Oh yeah, it's in there. We got the 4-inch tweeters in the rear. Oh yeah. Now like I said, PRB sent me a chrome one, so I had to paint that one black. Y'all can see some of the blemishes, but it's okay. I still can't get over that part. This part right here, man, I don't know. I kind of fudged up, but it's okay. It looks decent for what it is. I need to put a screw in there. And then also, if y'all can, let me zoom in on that. Y'all can see that's kind of getting shaken apart. But it's okay, I'll fix it. Oh, it's hot.
Put yours in a kick, use a 147.
Oh, almost.
Ain't that messing one?
No, she like, what is we doing? I'm like, I still don't know. Neither one of us slip up, so our spouses can't trip up. Hit me like, when we gon' get up? I'm like, I still don't know. Oh no.
It's the little details that matter. That shit pretty clean. Go ahead, step in the shot. I don't care. I need to do something like that. All right, let me give y'all a little update after the show. So everything was playing fine. Everything was working well. Didn't have no problems. 3 o'clock this morning, my wife wakes me up saying that my car is playing music or making noise. So I asked her if my voltmeter on my dash was on. Did she see any blue numbers? She said no. So I put 2 and 2 together, and I was like, okay, well shit, if she doesn't see that, then nothing in the car should be on. I went out there just to check. Lord and behold, if I don't have static coming through my doors. Have no idea how. The only way that my 4-channel and my DSP should be on is if the key is in the ignition and the car is on. The key was in the house. So for that to come on was fucking mind-boggling. Went to the 4-channel, nothing was wrong with that. Went to the DSP, nothing was wrong with that. No wires were touching, none of that. So I was like, all right, I unplugged the DSP, everything shut down. I was like, I'll figure this out in the morning. Went out there today, I moved the cooler that I had in the back seat. I looked under the cooler, Lord and behold, if my whole seat is wet. I didn't know the cooler had a crack in it. So all the ice melted, went to the seat. So I took the seat out, a big old puddle of water just sitting right there where all of my wires are, all of my LOC for my 4-channel, the wires for the DSP, and I'm just like, that's the problem right there. I just fucked it up. So now I'm up here at my job because I had to use the shop vac right over here. Had to use the shop vac, and I had to clean all of that because the water went from right here all the way over there, and all of this was sitting right there. Yes, I know it's messy. I don't really give a fuck because it's under the seat, but it was just flooded with water. So that was the problem. And then I looked at this wire, which is connected to the DSP. This wire was completely off, but I didn't understand why. So now So now, in order for me to solve that problem, it's hot outside, I have to run the remote wire to my fan. Yeah, to my fan. It's on. That's on. Okay, like I just said, I had to wire it to the fan. The fan's off. Now, we go back here. 4 channels off. Remember off. Now, let's see if it, nope, it cut off. See what it was doing last night, remember off was still on the DSP, and then it would just keep, like it just kept flashing. And I was like, yeah, that's not gonna work. I was gonna hook the 4 channel up to my bass amp, to that toggle switch, but most of the time I don't really feel like flipping my amp on I don't know. I'm about to see. I'm about to see if I'm gonna flip it around and put it on my amp side, because I don't really feel like riding around with a friggin' fan on. Like, that shit's just annoying. But anyway, man, Elo Higgins 26, baby.